So you might be in a situation where iPadOS 26.5.2 is just not installing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, I want to just make sure that this particular update is supported inside of some sort of, Wi-Fi connection or data connection. So make sure you have some sort of Wi-Fi connection, some sort of data connection, and that can also basically be the main way to fix this problem for the most part as well. Now, if that doesn't end up working, you might also want to go through and basically just kind of clear out as much storage as possible. So go through, make sure there's enough storage cleared out in your system, because that can also be another very major important thing you might want to end up doing as well. So go through, clear out as much storage. That way you go through and make sure there's not any problems with that as well, because that can also be another big issue. You might also want to go through and check your power. So go through, make sure you have your power fully set up and there's not any sort of issues or problems when it comes down to that too, because that's another really big problem that ends up happening. And also, if none of those things work, you can always try using some sort of a computer that can probably end up fixing those problems as well. Sometimes just going through fixing, kind of clicking to a computer and try to do it that way, I think is another important thing you can kind of do there too. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.